Hello. So if you are getting this video, that means you're part of our Zen with Oils community, and several of the wellness advocates, builders, and leaders within our team, we all have decided that once a month we're going to be creating these small videos on how to use and incorporate a lot of the promotional oils and just little personal testimonials as well. So you might be receiving this video via text, via email, or within our Facebook community. So what we're going to do each week, or each month actually, is alongside some of us on our team. So today Amanda Farrell is here with us, and we're going to just go through the promotional oils, and you'll learn some fun little snippets about what is available to you with your dōTERRA account in August. So the first thing up is this adventure kit. It's also called the Ready Kit. So if you're searching for it in dōTERRA, you want to search Ready Kit. And it comes with everything to be ready for anything. But it's also great for back to school, great for summer adventures if you're still adventuring this summer as well. So as you see, there is TerraShield, which is your go-to bug repellent. There's On Guard, which of course is the best thing to keep your hands clean, surfaces clean when you're on the go, whether camping, hiking, traveling, or back to school. Personally, this is something I spray my kids' hands with when I pick them up from school, and just to keep those bugs at bay. And then Lavender, the touch roller, is perfect for relaxation, sleep, calming down for big nerves or anxious feelings. It is a go-to also for bug bites that might happen when you're still having summer adventures, and just very calming, grounding oil as well. Then the dōTERRA Sun Stick. This is a roll-up stick that you can put on your face or on your body. That's 40 SPF. It's perfect for the sunny days we still have ahead of us for the next month, or if you're in, southern United States for the next several months, there will still be glimpses of summer and hot heat. So we still need that sunscreen. Then the deep blue packets, what's nice about those is they're convenient. I like to have them in gym bags, my purse, various places. So if I have a muscle ache, a cramp, tired feet, anything like that, I can just open one and use a little bit of it. Correct X, which is our natural Neosporin, doesn't have any antibiotic aspects to it. So you have the healing power of essential oils in there. There's oils like frankincense, rose in there that help heal and restore cuts and wounds. And then last in that Ready Kit is the Peppermint Beadlets. So that's great if all of a sudden you have some head tension, need to freshen your breath, just have some indigestion or some like stomach concerns going on. The Peppermint Beadlets are great for just popping in your mouth and having that response in your head. So like sinus congestion, etc. Or you can just swallow them if it's something more connected to your stomach, and the peppermint will work its magic in your stomach. So for all of those items, it is $96 wholesale on your account, and that's a limited time offer there. So when they're gone, they're gone. And that was also available last month. So I expect them to probably be gone mid-August also. And we're on to tea tree.
Tea tree. So with your LRP order of 125 or more, you guys get a free tea tree touch this month, which I love tea tree touch, and it's a really great antibacterial roll-on usage for congestion, colds, flu. It's great as a skin calmer to use on hives, rashes, acne on the face. Definitely use it to roll on the bottoms of your feet, like I said, face, neck, or behind the ears for any of that additional congestion. The other one for this month is 10% off of your Northern Escape. This is another one of my favorites, and works really, really well. I have a son that loves to use screen time, and so he often gets overstimulated. This is a really great transition oil to deal with that overstimulation from too much TV. So works really great for even us as adults to bring that time down, give us some nice bedtime sleep routine. in order to transition that. It's also very grounding and works great for men as well as a cologne or a personal scent.
Yeah. I like, if anyone has any of those plug-in diffusers, I've been keeping Northern Escape in the one in our basement, which is also considered our quote unquote like man cave. But it's nice because that's also where my kids sleep. And so that Northern Escape is just, it's very calming, grounding, but it's also good for respiratory. So it's like, I don't know, multiple approaches and it's good stuff. Yeah. Okay. And the last thing for limited time, Harvest Spice is back. So if you've been with doTERRA for the last several years, this is a fall release. And I can't help but wonder if there's going to be another fall aroma that is released since they are releasing Harvest Spice early. I do feel like Harvest Spice has been in the fall in the past. So stay tuned because I feel like there might be a fun new fall flavor coming out. But Harvest Spice is good for a lot of things. I often think of it is like the sister to On Guard. So it has a lot of the same spice profile. It has cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus, cedarwood, cassia, and nutmeg. So to me, it is a little more like, I don't know, spicy than On Guard, if that can be a thing. Can it be spicier than On Guard? I don't know. It has more like woodsy aroma to the spice. So
yeah,
I
would say it's more pungent than On Guard.
Definitely. Because On Guard, you have a little citrus. This one doesn't have the citrus in it. So it kind of softens it in On Guard and the tea tree. Whereas this is like, it's potent. So a little goes a long way if you're diffusing Harvest Spice. I would highly recommend to start with less. You can always add more to a diffuser, but it's great for circulation and immune support. So as we transition to cooler evenings, cooler fall, if your hands or feet get cold, using an oil like Harvest Spice in a roller on your hands and feet helps increase the circulation. And so your hands stay warmer. It's a great pack to have in your hands if you're out, walking around or camping or hiking and you're wearing a big heavy jacket, just like have that roller in your pocket and roll your hands or feet as they get cold. It's also really good for uplifting and stimulating your mind. So for focus and just alertness, you can inhale it to really bring that back, the concentration and focus. But my favorite thing about it is it just smells like fall. I do think that it's a great fall aroma to having your diffuser. And then you're also supporting and killing those airborne yuckies that might be floating around. And you're benefiting from the essential oils as well. And then last but not least, any new customers that got accounts in July, you are part of a promotion that's going on. And if you place your 100 PV LRP in August, you get 100 PV free points, which is $100 free in September. The same thing is happening this month. So if you invite a new customer to start with 100 PV points, or you are a new customer seeing this and you got 100 PV points, next month, if you do a loyalty order of 100 PV, you'll get free 100 PV in October. So I wanted to make sure everyone was aware of that as well. And then weekly lives, we kind of took a hiatus for the last many months in our Facebook community group. And so weekly lives are back. I'll be back on Monday mornings at 8:15 on there for short snippets of education and tips for essential oils and whole health integrative wellness. So that is it for us this time. And we will see you again next month with other members of our Zen with Oils community. Bye.